The Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi has launched its new affordable 5G phone in India called Redmi 15A. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi 15A 5G features a tall 6.9-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by UNISOC T8300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 6 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Redmi 15A 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 32-megapixel main camera with f2.0 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6,300 mAh battery with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box, with HyperOS 3.0 skid on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 171.56 by 79.47 by 8.15mm, and it weighs around 210 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi 15A 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 12,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 14,499 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 16,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from April 3rd in Ace Black, Awesome Blue, and Amaze Purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi 15A 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.